Derma rollers are currently the most trending treatment for skin that helps to absorb the most of your favorite serum or moisturizer. It contains hundreds of tiny needles that create micro punctures to the skin for better absorption of your favorite serums and moisturizers. It also helps to improve acne scars, even out skin tone, and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So we came up with the 5 best derma rollers that will treat your several skin problems. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for a derma roller kit with replacement heads, the Love & Pebble Derma Roller Kit is the right choice for you. It is designed by healthcare and cosmetic professionals. It comes with 4 titanium replacement roller heads, storage case, and 3 sanitary cups. The titanium needles are 0.25 millimeters long. The non-invasive needles are safe, painless, and effective to use at home. The Derma Roller lets you experience deeper penetration of your favorite skin serum or sheet mask. The Love & Pebble Derma Roller is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the users, this derma roller is made of high-quality materials and the disinfectant cups make it easy for sanitizing the rollers. The users loved how well it improves the skin condition and it's worth every penny, though a few users were not satisfied with their result. It's time to rate this product. The Avega Beauty Derma Roller Kit is an exfoliating microneedling tool that helps to return your skin's natural glow. It comes with 4 micro roller heads that feature 600 titanium needles that can be used for larger areas on the face and body, and 180 needles for more precise coverage on smaller areas. The Derma Roller needles won't cause pain, bleeding, or any other negative side effect. It helps to remove dead skin cells and facilitate exfoliation, leading to smoother, softer looking skin. The Avega Beauty Derma Roller Kit is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the users, this derma roller is worth it. It diminishes the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and the users love the outcomes of their skin after using it, though a few people were not satisfied with it. Now it's time to rate this product. The Lolysenta Derma Roller is our next favorite derma roller that promotes a vibrant and healthy looking complexion. It features 0.25 millimeter painless 540 microneedles that can be used with any skin type. This natural treatment helps you to achieve a beautiful, vibrant skin and a younger looking appearance. The microneedles are made of titanium that allows derma rollers for many months of use due to its strength, corrosion resistance, and durability. The Lolysenta Derma Roller is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, this derma roller actually worked like magic. It not only worked on pores or wrinkles, but it also diminished the appearance of scars. It makes skin feel and look good, but some users complain that it didn't work well for them. Time to check out the ratings. Ensure the most out of your skincare routine with the Sdara Skincare Microneedle Derma Roller. If you're suffering from large pores and wrinkles, this Derma Roller will do magic to your skin. It's featured with the 0.25mm microdermabrasion needles that are easy to use and don't hurt. That helps to require firm yet gentle pressure to maximize usage and minimize discomfort. This Derma Roller promotes a luminous, healthy-looking complexion and exfoliates dead skin cells to promote a healthy glow. It also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve the appearance of acne scarring and hyperpigmentation. The Sdara Skincare Microneedle Derma Roller is available on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. According to the users, this Derma Roller is actually effective on skin. The users noticed a good difference on skin within a few days, especially the wrinkles and pores. They visibly improved appearance, though some users were not satisfied with the outcome. It's time to rate this Derma Roller. Our first pick for today's video is the popular Derma Roller from Linduray Skincare. It efficiently and effortlessly opens your skin pores for better absorption of your favorite serum and moisturizer. It is featured with 0.25mm microneedles. The Derma Roller is made with durable 540 pure grade titanium microneedles, ensured to last longer, and has anti-slip grip that provides stability and control. The Linduray Skincare Derma Roller is one of the most reviewed on Amazon, and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. The reviews say it all. This highly recommended Derma Roller is popular among its users. The users noticed huge differences on their skin, and they are satisfied with the result. Though besides all the thousands of positive reviews, some users were not fully happy with their outcomes. It's time to rate this Derma Roller. Those were our top 5 Derma Roller kits. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.